How to hard reset on our X60 X60 Pro. Step 1. Begin by powering off your phone using the power button. Step 2. Then, simultaneously press the power and volume up keys together for a short while. Step 3. Release all keys when the logo is visible.